Yeah. Stack Nation, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Brazen. Today, we're going to be taking a look at what is happening in the markets, man. Can someone tell me what's going on in the markets? Because from what I understand, okay, the market is rising. Okay. Um, However, I also want to point out something. There's been a lot of articles saying that the market runs, stocks run up, stocks what would you say jump, but they don't seem to have a lot of synonyms when it comes to market rise compared to when the market is falling. When they have all the synonyms, stocks crash, slide, backslide, drop, dip,
Wobble.
wobble. That was a how do
Tank.
stocks wobble? How do stocks
Wobbly,
wobble,
wobbly.
bro?
It's wobbling to the bottom. Like, wobble down.
Oh man, these people are absolutely
Woo!
insane. Okay, it's just. But tell us, Double O, can you point out to us where this rise is happening in the markets, if you will,
You mean the master Ponzi scheme?
bro? The Ponzi's of all Ponzi's, man.
We are the pawn in this scheme, though. We are the pawn in this Ponzi
You
scheme.
are- exactly, the master Ponzi, and we are the pawn in the Ponzi scheme.
Bro,
I
it
like
looks
that
bad.
line.
It looks bad, man. The media got us in their hands.
Hey,
All right.
listen.
I don't even know where to start. Let's start with Tesla. Or should I start with Nasdaq? Okay, we're already at
Well,
Nasdaq.
we're looking at Nasdaq here.
So they said Nasdaq is up 700 points, 800 points. Get in. Yeah, you see it 2.39%. But if you got to go look at your retirement account, your 401k, Roth IRA, your investment to see if it's moving up like they say it is,
Big
Let me-
catastrophe.
let me show you what this baby looks like in one day, real quick. We're still falling, baby. We're still falling. As a matter of fact, I felt that one. I was like, who smacked me on the face? As a matter of fact, if you're doing TA, we need to cross these lines before we can even see anything is crossing going up anywhere. These lines up here. And that's just NASDAQ alone. Look at SPY. That was on the one-day chart. We're getting off of a double bottom right now. Crossing the moving averages are about to cross. If they allow it to cross. But all the scream that you're hearing on Friday about the market is recovering, everything's going up, is just a freaking tiny movement to the general space. But we're trying to tell folks, this is why we think that the crypto space, Bitcoin is the future, is that when you're buying SPY, you and your mama, a lot of people I know, do not have $1 million sitting on the side to buy 100 or 1,000 shares of SPY at $374 each. This thing has been around for a while, and it's a combination of multiple multi-billion-dollar companies. So if you are buying into this, you are just a pawn in their scheme. But if you buy Bitcoin, if Bitcoin moves 0.18%, 0.21%, 1%, you feel the impact right away. You see it in your account. Wake up, people. Wake up.
Absolutely.
Do you want me to click on another one?
Well, what else they got there, man?
Oh,
How is,
come on, man.
QQQ?
We have the
How
Dow,
is the
DJI,
QQQ doing, man?
QQQ, those are the tech guys, QQQ on the 1 hour, it's crossing.
Oh,
You
man,
know.
look at that nice move there. What does it look like on the daily?
Oh, snap. Let's not disappoint people. Falling wedge, baby. We're still falling. Just your 401k account, your retirement account is still crashing. There's hope, the 8 days about to go across the 20 and 34, But guess what? 200-day moving average, many years away.
Yeah, not happening. This is very interesting because we see a lot of articles coming out lately saying, oh, the markets are coming back up and so on and so forth. But the reality is, if you look at your account, it is looking absolutely catastrophic. Coming back from where? Now, if we take this another step further, we know this is something that is happening in the crypto space in some ways, right?
Something
The
similar.
crypto space, very often on those crypto pages on Twitter, you see something like this. Which one will make it to the, which one will pump first, if you will, right? Or which one will rip first?
Mm-hmm.
And we have a couple cryptocurrencies here, and hey, I would like to get your take on it, and of course I'll give my take on them. But we see Bitcoin, Ethereum ranging all the way down to Shiba. Now, maybe we can start from the bottom going up.
I know you're about to go from the bottom. You're making fun of my Cybertruck, man. Cut
No,
it
sir,
out.
I'm not making fun of your Cybertruck. What are you talking about, man?
That
I'm just
Cybertruck is
looking at the
coming,
concept.
baby.
No,
By the way,
listen.
I'm selling all my altcoins this next bull market. I'm done. I'm sticking with Bitcoin going forward. I said it
Well,
here.
that is if a bull market comes to the altcoins, man. Remember, now it's in the hands of some crazy people. It's not before where everyone was just rushing in and then just ripping. I think we really have to wait and see what happens next.
All right, starting from the bottom.
Shiba
SHIB.
to $1.
SHIB is the ultimate fiat currency where you can print the heck out of it. Like,
Okay.
this thing is limitless. For it to gain value, you have to be like 100x Apple. How's that going to happen? What value is SHIB providing? Aside of maybe DeFi and some NFTs, I don't see it. It could go up to
100x Apple is what you said there.
SHIB will have to 100x Apple, the valuation of Apple, for SHIB to even try to get to $1.
Big
But SHIB does
value.
not have the innovation of Apple. So what's
Yeah.
gonna get it there? I
Well,
alone can't get it there.
We'll see.
Get it to
man.
1 cent first, man. Come on, let's get to 1 cent first so I can buy my
1 cent.
Cybertruck and get it out.
Hey, listen, sir. Your Cybertruck will come, but I hope your Cybertruck is not waiting for SHIB.
Apparently it is.
But it's no worries. You need not worry because Elon is not able to deliver that Cybertruck either at this time. He's still struggling to deliver electric semis, and
Yeah.
they're really breaking down. So, moving on, Crow. This is the Crypto.com coin to $1.
If they sell enough Miami tickets,
Well, they spend a lot on advertising.
hey, if it gives
Listen.
them dividends, in the recession, they've slowed down. They'll be
Listen,
back in the
okay.
bull market. Possible. It's a
If
bank,
you're holding-
remember.
Listen,
Crypto-
if people
Crypto.com
are
is-
holding Crow, they should let me know. Let me know when the funeral of Crow is happening. I'll be there.
Listen. I have an
Go
answer
ahead.
for you. Remember we had a video about tokenization.
Yes.
Crow is the token, is the security, is the asset of crypto.com. So people can trade that up to $1. That's possible. I mean,
Awesome.
tokenization of the future.
I hear what you say, sir. I see your viewpoints and I take them in. Now, what I'm saying is, call this my bold prediction.
Yes.
Crow to 0. Okay?
What, regulations?
I don't know what it's going to be. But what I know is I cannot see the use case. I don't
It's
see
a
the
platform,
direction.
it's an exchange for trading, and they charge you a ton of fees.
Okay, hey, listen, you do know that Crow charges people for not using their money on their card.
What?
Yes. If you have the Crow card and you don't
Oh, I have
use
my
it,
card. I've not. Well,
if you have money on the card and you're not spending, at some point they start charging you a fee. I sent you a link to this now. This happened.
jeez,
Yeah.
man.
they
They're even
really-
getting worse than the banks already. Jeez.
Okay. Well, they are the banks. VeChain. Thoughts?
They say they're providing security, or you can use it for voting.
Okay.
Yeah, we can do that on Bitcoin, man. We don't need another blockchain for that.
I was just gonna say, man, big funeral.
But-
I'll be there.
But decentralized systems, they control their marketing dollars and lobby it to the top. Possible.
There we go. Dogecoin to $1.
If we need the currency of the space, of the cyberspace, of the space, not cyberspace, but the actual space.
Yeah.
Actually, what? Dogecoin all depends on Elon Musk. You cannot rely too much on that. So
I was gonna say Elon better start buying right now.
yeah.
Okay. So again, dear Doge holders, let me know when the funeral is. I'll be there.
Yo, we're killing all my altcoins that I'm hoping will go away someday so I can exit.
No. look, because look, man, Shib will probably have like a little shebang one day. Dogecoin itself might have like a little shebang itself one day as well. Okay. I love this one. XRP to $3. What's that?
We've given too much power to certain powers, and those powers do not want to be replaced. XRP does have some powers in terms of investors. It's a power struggle.
Yeah.
Has XRP ever reached $3 before? They've been saying that forever. So
Well, look, man, XRP is an interesting one. I'm not going to be naive and say invite me to the funeral of XRP. Okay. But I will say this. When it comes to XRP, Jerry Ginsler is holding the gun. Okay. And I hope he keeps trying his best. Maybe one day.
oh, I felt that one.
Hey, XRP is like the bad guy that will not die, man. Maybe one day. Anyway,
It's a cowboy country out there, man. Cowboy country.
Exactly. Now, this one here, okay, I have a little soft spot for it in my heart. Cardano, man, to $4. $4 freaking dollars for Cardano.
Cardano brought me into the crypto space.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because we
Same
believe
here.
in what it was doing in Africa.
Same here. I remember when I was so gung-ho for Cardano, man.
To the point that I invested so much money that I'm supposed to use to soup up my car.
Yeah.
I have as much money to buy a used car right now on Cardano. But it's okay. I think the problem with Cardano is its leadership. The
Right.
technology, the blockchain technology, great idea. But some of what it's doing as well can be done on the Bitcoin blockchain. Just saying.
There we go. Listen, I hope that Cardano comes back, at least to break even so you can exit.
Break even is $4 as a matter of fact.
Come again?
We've been at $4 before. Actually bought some Cardano at $5. $4.26, almost $5.
Okay,
So let's go back and break even so I can exit, man.
I'll keep praying for you, sir. Matic to $5. What did you say?
Matic has been higher than $5 in the past. So, but
Has
that
it?
space has
What is
been
their use case again?
cross chain. And guess
Oh,
what
okay.
happened with all cross chains? Just like polka dots, they get hacked. Software issues, man.
Yeah. Plus, I don't know, like all proof of stake now with Ethereum, so they're really all the same thing, in it. Low-key? Okay.
I should be getting ready
Polka-
to pay some serious taxes with all these guys, by the way.
Oh, dang.
Polka
Well,
dots.
listen, write things off, okay? Write things off. That's
Oh
what I
yeah,
do.
I got some ARK Invest. Right.
Yeah, hey, dude, hey, major. On a serious note, man, major deductions on that. That's absolute garbage. You know, Polkadot to $80 and Chainlink to $80.
Chainlink, another security type. Trying to Polkadot. I think given the big banks' investment, because these are the ones the banks are buying. If you look at their portfolios, it's in there. They're not buying them to just trade them to have fun. They're buying them to make compete with Bitcoin.
I understand.
Compete with their godfather.
I understand, but I just want to point out that the big banks are also wrong a lot of times.
Yeah.
Okay, these are the same people that are shorting Tesla. How is that going for them?
Well,
You know,
they made some with the most recent down crash of Tesla. I
but
need to go
Tesla
buy
still
it,
rises, man.
Is there?
Tesla still rises.
Oh,
These
it
guys
does.
have lost a lot, even though they're making some money now.
Yeah.
Tesla definitely put a dent in their pockets.
Before they got some baby wins.
Remember what, like 2019, where they kept shorting it, and these guys kept Michael Burry. Remember, lost a lot of money on Tesla.
Yeah.
Right? Listen, I like Chainlink. Okay, is something that is very interesting. I like the concepts that they're going on about.
Yep.
If it can maintain its security and help in securing things even more, I'm all for that. I like that. I think that it deserves to rise, if need be, just based on their work. But still to be determined.
And it's still centralized.
Yeah, it's definitely still centralized. You know what I mean? I would say look at it as a stock or whatever.
Yeah.
Now, when we go on to Solana, $500.
Solana reminds me of that fine girl. But then when you get to know her, you just don't like her anymore.
I know what you mean there. I've come across one or two.
No,
Listen,
as a matter of
Solana.
fact, the Phantom is going to Solana now. There's a lot of rumors about a bunch of people trying to consolidate into Solana.
Oh,
Solana
that's a
has.
double funeral there. Are you kidding me?
I know I got a lot of money on Phantom, man. I didn't take my money out on the top, man. I 100x that Phantom, baby, but I
Nah,
didn't get out
dude.
when it was at the
Yeah,
top.
that's horrible. That's horrible. Look,
Oh, is it
Solana
HNT
came
as
out.
well? Ilium
Which one is that?
HNT? Is it
HNT.
Ilium? Yeah, that's another one.
So
By the way, their phone is coming out.
HNT.
Solana phone, Solana mobile phone.
There's
OS.
a Solana mobile phone.
Hell yeah.
Okay. But the network keeps getting hacked.
Yeah, that's the problem. I'm sorry.
How do you trust the phone like that?
I would say Android in the early days had similar issues.
So,
But
double funeral. Y'all call me. I'll be there. Okay, I'll be there. It's not. Listen,
why are you killing everything?
listen. So, bro, Solana should really be at $0 by now. I am shocked, flabbergasted,
Literally,
okay, baffled beyond belief.
$29, $30,
That this thing is still there.
$31. Yeah,
Exactly, bro. Garbage. Moving on. BNB.
Binance. You see,
Yes.
Auntie, if you're watching this video here, hook a brother up.
Hey,
Solana, Binance is the king of crypto banks globally. Coinbase is still sleeping; it's in the dust. Possible.
yeah. Listen, man. I'm gonna go easy on Binance. I get it. People might say whatever the case might be. I think that there is possibilities and opportunities in the future with Binance.
It's a company's
other-
token. It's like
Yeah.
a Google token.
Yeah, from a business perspective, Binance is not going anywhere, right? And so, look, they can register it as a security, whatever the case might be, but I think it's going to be okay. I think it'll be fine. Going to $1,000, I don't know, but I think that it'll be okay.
I mean, it's not gonna go to $1,000 next year. Maybe
Now,
10
I do
years
think
when everything
I
is
do think it will.
tokenized.
I do think it will flip Ethereum though. Yes.
Binance flip Ethereum?
Yeah.
How is that possible?
I'm still doing some my analysis on that. I will share it with everyone once it's done.
Okay.
Yes. Moving on to Ethereum.
Ethereum is
$8,000. Will
Ethereum
Ethereum
is
make it to
like-
8,000?
Ethereum is like Windows operating system,
Okay.
Unix operating system, Linux operating system of the blockchain space or crypto space, you want to call it. And the way these big banks and World Economic Forum and all these three-letter words are pushing it, I
Yeah.
mean, it's gotten to $4,000 in the last bull market, almost reached $6,000. So a little sprinkle of 2,000 on it in the next bull.
I think the same way CBDCs are going to fail is the same way Ethereum is going to fail. Ethereum is heading down a very dark path, okay? And at the end of that path, I don't think that it leads to confidence with the general public.
Especially if the general public understand what Ethereum is up to.
I'll be wearing a white at this wedding.
Not black.
Sorry,
thought-
let me roll back. I
thought you
really
liked
messed that up. Let me say it again. I'll be wearing white at this funeral.
Yeah, comes the bride.
I'll be wearing white at this funeral.
Ghost Nation.
Well, here we go then, man. I feel like people are gonna say, "Oh, you're biased." Bitcoin to $70,000.
Of course you bias. Simple. We've already reached 67,000. We've done it before.
Listen, I want to remind people about something. You have this coin out here, no CEO, out here just doing his thing, has been attacked from almost every angle by major governments, people who have more resources than most of us ever will. Ongoing for what, 12, 13 years now? Started from 25 cents or less, made it to 70K, and it's still rolling with the most advanced technologies out here, and this thing cannot be stopped. Full decentralization.
Full on attack by the centralized systems.
Listen, I think 70K is early. These people who wrote this thing are underestimating, man. Bitcoin is definitely going to $1 million. 500K in the next 5 years at least.
Said it.
And y'all can quote me on that if it makes it there. If not, don't quote me on that.
You know what's funny though about today?
What's that?
Today was the end of our competition on public, on during our early days.
Oh, yes.
You know, of us saying that
How did that end?
sadly south.
Yeah. But it's okay. It's okay because, investing is about consistency. Don't give up. You have to, but again, reorganize your portfolio, re-strategize, so on and so forth, and just keep pushing, man. It's okay to be wrong. I think if you're never wrong, then you cannot grow. Because the only people who are never wrong are people who are not trying.
Yep.
So,
I said that to say that on that list are some of
Yeah.
the coins that we had in that competition on public,
yeah.
and they all got their butt whooped.
Including
alongside
Bitcoin, bro.
alongside the stock market.
Yeah, even
So-
Bitcoin got trashed as well.
Yeah.
Like no one was safe. So
Yeah.
it is what it is. But this is what I think of where these coins are going to go. It's very interesting. You guys let us know in the comments. Maybe we're wrong. I want to point out one more thing before we go. Let me see if I can find it here real quick. Okay. Hex. You remember Hex?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Selling on a double, selling on a double, selling on a double. These people have been holding the bag on this thing since, let me see. Because you remember, Hex has been like one of those coins where like they had a cult following. Okay.
Yeah. Like
And
SHIB.
it's not even,
XRP,
it's not
I
even,
mean.
what was that?
I said like SHIB and the XRP Yami.
Yeah, like SHIB and XRP Army, right? I think BitBoy Crypto is their leader, is what he says. But here's the thing, man. A lot of times, right, there's a lot of things that come up in the space. People get extremely hyped. They join this, how would you say? They would join like a group,
Community on
exactly.
whatever, Telegram. Yeah.
Exactly. There's all this euphoria, and they have this leader who is just absolutely charismatic, telling them that nothing can go wrong. We're going to keep selling on a double. This is better than Ethereum. Listen, it's not even something that we have to speculate anymore because there's been a whole expose on this guy showing what is happening with this coin. Selling on a double, selling on a double. Okay, look at that right there. That's called a pump and dump. Your account ripped from your hands. Okay, you made it all
Your
the way to
value,
the top there.
your money, your energy just ripped.
Yeah, because you're trying to get rich quick. But that's fine. Okay? It's what happens. It is what it is. We live, we learn. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Any final thoughts, Double O?
Yes. As always, if you've not liked, subscribe. You want to leave a comment. You disagree with our analysis of the stock market is gonna pump and where your crypto is going. Hey,
No
check
way.
us out.
Yeah, so
Leave a
ladies and
comment.
gents- yes, leave a comment. Let us know down below what you think. I have some cycling to do with some astute youngsters in Washington DC. So amazing recording, absolutely incredible. If you need me, ladies and gentlemen, you can catch me on the streets of Washington DC. I might stop by and say hi to Biden. Yeah.
Brenda.
Yeah, I'm like, what's up, old guy? Yeah, let me hold some of them falling follicles from your head real quick, man. See if I can lace my shoe with it. I mean, the guy must be in a museum right now. Old age.
Oh man, let's
leave
not
it
make
like
this
that.
political, man.
No, man, it's not a political thing. I'm just talking about an old guy. Can we not talk about old people anymore in this society?
Hey, get out there and enjoy this.
Come on,
Peace.
Hey, nah, let me chill, man. I'm wilding out. Ladies and gentlemen, until next time, Brazen out.
00.